Welcome! This is Annie Go from HSG Laser. I am in our headquarters right now. First, let me give a brief introduction of our company. HSG Laser was founded in 2006. We are a national high-tech enterprise and always focus on R&D, production, and sales of metal forming intelligent equipment. Our research and development team is made up of 180 professionals. It is decided to offer global users intelligent laser equipment and solutions, including laser cutting machine, welding machine, bending machines, and also automation equipment. As we all know, the conventional welding is generally producing heavy dust in a poor working environment. Moreover, you need a skillful and high-salary worker. So, we start to think about how to help you save more money. And the HSG Laser third generation of FMW series handheld welding machine is launched. And now, let's go check it out. The FMW welding machine has power option from 1 kilowatt to 2 kilowatt. As you can see, it is small but portable. It's designed as integrated structure by laser device, water tank, and control parts. So you just need to reserve a small area and set it up. You're all set. This is its parameters. And now, let's get started. I want to make a special mention that this welding machine is equipped with special welding laser device rather than the general products. Its overall dimensions and weight are eliminated by 40% and 50% respectively than the second generation. The transmission cables still perform better in flexibility. Laser band gets better. Welding process is more stable. Next, I will introduce its 6 cool technologies and how it benefits for you. First, temperature sensor. We set a temperature sensor on the welding gun of FMW welding machine. It can detect lens temperature in real time. Second, RD interface. In this new generation of welding machine, QBH interface is replaced by a more advanced RD interface. Meanwhile, it's working increasingly stable. Third, the dual protective lens. The dual protective measures are efficient to keep dust out of welding gun and make it work stably for a longer time. Fourth, dual-driven wire feeder. This welding machine is equipped with 1.6 mm dual-driven wire feeder. In this way, weld will not be oversized. Fifth, light spot is adjustable. Our welding head's light spot diameters generally varies from 1 mm to 3 mm. Therefore, more complex welding patterns are achievable. Sixth, the function of intelligent Wi-Fi cloud monitoring. In case of any emergency, our engineers will remove all troubles and offer remote technical guidance to you. Except for the 6 cool technologies, it also has the following bonus benefits. 100 times of laser energy density. No experience is needed. Up to 10 times higher efficiency. 3-fold safety protection, saving at least 2 labor costs. Moving flexibly to all directions, and so on. And now, let's welcome our engineer, Andy, to do a welding demonstration. The welds are almost perfect. Its transmission is smooth but no defects. The yellowing and blacking area on both sides of welds is almost smaller. Subsequent polishing is unnecessary because weld convection is almost negligible. As such, you can save your labor and time costs. FMW has been EU CE compliant, and it will create first-class welding service by its high-quality elements. With this small machine, you can improve your welding quality, reduce production costs, and lower the level of repair difficulty, as well as enjoy a convenient, efficient, and intelligent welding service. That is why FMW welding machine is widely applied in elevator, home appliance, advertisement, shelves, furniture, lighting, doors and windows, medical device, chassis, kitchen hardware, and so on. After that, would you like to give it a try or know more details about our welding machines? If so, please contact us through this information. HSG Laser has established 4 standardized intelligent manufacturing factories for over 80,000 square meters and 2 subsidiaries in Germany and Japan. Our service outlets can be found in over 100 countries and regions. In 2020, HSG Laser has sold over 3,000 units all around the world. Therefore, we are glad to invite you to visit our factories and hope to see you soon.